In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert data to drop-down chips in Google Sheets. If you want to make your spreadsheet cleaner, easier to use, and more consistent, drop-down chips are a great option. They help turn plain cell values into selectable items, which can make data entry faster and reduce mistakes. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to convert existing data into drop-down chips directly inside Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheet and go to the sheet where your data is stored. Make sure you're on the correct tab and looking at the cells you want to update. This is important because the drop-down formatting will be applied only to the range you select. Next, click and highlight the data you want to convert into drop-down chips. Take a moment here to select the right cells carefully. If you're working with a full column or a specific group of rows, make sure everything you want included is highlighted before moving on. This step determines where your new drop-down chips will appear. Once the data is selected, right-click anywhere within the highlighted area. This opens the context menu where you'll find several formatting and data options related to the selected cells. If you don't see the option immediately, just look through the menu carefully. From that menu, click on Drop-Down. Google Sheets will then open the drop-down settings panel where you can control how your selected cells behave. This is the area where your plain data starts being transformed into a more interactive format. Now customize the drop-down the way you want. Depending on your setup, you may be able to adjust the displayed options, choose colors, and control the visual style of the chips. This is a useful step because color coding can make your sheet easier to scan, especially if you're using drop-downs for status tracking categories or team workflows. Try to keep your labels clear and your colors consistent so the sheet stays easy to understand. When everything looks the way you want, click Done. Google Sheets will apply the drop-down chip formatting to the selected cells, and your data will now appear in that updated format. That's it. You've successfully converted your data into drop-down chips in Google Sheets. This small change can make a big difference in how organized and user-friendly your spreadsheet feels. If you're managing shared sheets, this is especially helpful because it gives everyone a more standardized way to work with the data.